So I'm going to show you the quick cleanup. Whenever you're finished with the gun, as soon as you can, get to the water and the sink. This is a stainless steel sink on the garbage disposal side, and I can flush it out. And you don't want to splash this paint up on your baseboard and all that, so be very careful, and it'll all clean up good. And you want to clean this tube out. You could even do this out with a garden hose. I'm kind of pre-cleaning it right now. And it's running pretty clear. See the water coming out of there clear? Put it over here. Same way with this. I'm going to put this up here, clean that out. Up. I'll keep this as my special paint cleaner, or paint sprayer brush, to get all the paint off of there. Make it like brand new. Ah, yeah. Once it's clean, upside down, and now we're going to take this apart. This whole thing can be cleaned up. Now this, you pull this down, snap it down, then counterclockwise, you can pull that off. And then this, you want to take these loose. Remember, pull this, loosen this up. Now don't drop it down the garbage disposal. Okay, and then you take the little locking ring that keeps, there's the spout that went down there, but I can get it. Okay, that goes there. Okay, now we want to clean this all out. So you want to take that loose so that you can clean it. And in here, and then we're going to run clear water through it when it's all finished. Okay. A little seal pad, and then pull the trigger, and it should come out the bottom like that. And you can do it this way. Pull the trigger. See, and it's going through there, washing it out good. This is all very important to keep your gun totally clean and ready. Okay, now the little nozzle, you want to clean it out. Now I haven't left it, so I don't need that little needle in there. I can even kind of punch this in there. Little things like that. And there's a couple of brushes there. But this was all quick, and I see a little bit of paint is, there it's going out. And I'll even blow on it a little bit, and clear as a whistle. Okay, so put that over there, wash this little guy up, the locking ring, and the spray nozzle head, or direction, you know, that's where the air comes out. And then this, again, give her another little push. Everything's coming out of there clear. Perfect. There we go. Yep. And down in there. And wash this up. And it will look like brand new every time you take it out. Okay, that's where the hose goes in. All right, then we're going to dry this totally out and then put it back together. I'm not going to show putting it back together because I think we did that one time. And I'm going to run water through there again. Here's the little brushes. We'll go down in there. And see, you can only do so far, then you have to stick it in the other side. And look at there, it cleans it good. So get in there and turn it, and put it in there, and turn it, and you are good to go. Nice. Oh boy, that's nice. And then when you put it in there, it'll go only that far, and it can spin. Okay. Now you put the little lock ring on. Now the little locking ring with the little cutout on this side and a cutout on that side is to stop your spray head from only moving 90 degrees. Now it'll only go one direction. This recessed area here goes in and the flat side goes out. Very important. So again, pull this, push everything in, and then find that little recessed area and it snaps right in. If you get it the other way, you can't get it to work. Then you can, with this held, you can just go ahead and spin this down. Now make sure that this is in the, that this will spin as you're going. And go all the way down. And it should go till it's tight. Okay, now you should be able to spin this 90 degrees like that when it's assembled correctly. So keep that in mind. Okay, after your spray job, you know what you got to do.